Hello and welcome to a new Pandora FMS video. In this video, we will explain how to create TCP port monitoring modules. With TCP monitoring, we're able to know if a port is open or not, or we can even try to get a specific reply. To create a TCP module, we go to the web console and go to the module section in our agent. In this section, we find the list of modules with their description, status, etc., as we have already seen in the videos of agent creation and configuration. Select Create a new network server module in the Type section and click Create. In the next window, we will have to give a name to our module. Check port 80 TCP for example, and select the type. The most common is to choose Remote TCP Network Agent Boolean data. Depending on the type we choose, we will receive different data of it. In this case, as we want to see whether or not the port is open, the Boolean type is the most appropriate. In target IP, we put the IP on which the check will be done. By default, it's the one of our agent, which is the most common, but we can explicitly indicate any IP. And in port, we write the number of the port on which the check is to be done. Port 80 as in our example. With this configuration, it would already be sufficient to check very easily if the target port is open or not. Optionally, you can do a more advanced check, sending a text string and wait to receive something that will be treated directly by Pandora FMS as data, using the fields TCP send and TCP receive. TCP send. In this field, we configure the parameter that will be sent to the TCP port. Support the circumflex M chain to replace it with the shipment of a carriage return. To send multiple strings in order to send a reply, you must separate them with the character pipe. TCP receive. In this field, we configure the text strings that are expected to be received on the TCP connection. If sent or received in multiple steps, each step is separated with the same pipe character as before, having to match the request. For example, to check if a web server is alive, we check port 80 and write the following string in TCP send. Get /http /1.0 circumflex M. And in TCP receive, we write the string we expect to receive, 200 OK. Another option to configure the module would be to use a module from the component library. With this option, we can choose from several configurations that are already defined. In the Use Library Module field, choose the Network Management option and then choose the option you want. For example, we can choose Check HTTP Server, among others, and the fields explained before will be automatically filled out, and this way we don't have to do all the manual configurations. Finally, you just need to click on Create and the module will be added to your list of modules. And so far the video of today. Go like and subscribe, follow us on social media and contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much and we hope to see you soon in another video.